In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a glitch text mask in Canva. We'll start right inside a blank Canva design or any project where you want to add this effect. Make sure you're logged in and you've opened the design you want to work on. Once you're ready, look over to the left-hand side of your Canva editor. You'll see a vertical toolbar with options like templates, elements, uploads, and so on. First, click on Elements. This is where Canva stores graphics, shapes, photos, and special items, including what we need for this effect. Give it a second to load if your connection is a bit slow. Inside the Elements panel, go up to the search bar at the top and type in letter frame. Letter frames are special alphabet shapes that act as masks. They allow you to place an image inside the shape of a letter, which is exactly how we'll build our glitch text. After you hit enter, you should see a collection of letters that look like outlines or photo placeholders. Scroll until you find the style you like. Then, click on a letter to add it to your canvas. You can repeat this for each letter of the word you want to create, or just start with one letter to test the effect. Once a letter is on your canvas, you can resize it by dragging the corners and move it into position by clicking and dragging. Try to make it big enough so the glitch effect will really stand out. Next, we need an image or graphic to place inside that letter. On the left toolbar again, click on Uploads. This is where you can bring in your own images from your computer or choose something you've already uploaded. If you haven't added anything yet, click the Upload button and select a glitch style image, a colorful pattern, or any texture you want to appear inside the text. When your image appears in the Uploads panel, click on it and simply drag and drop it over the letter frame on your canvas. As you hover over the letter, you'll see the frame highlight. Release your mouse and Canva will automatically place the image inside the shape of the letter. From here, you can double-click the letter to reposition the image inside, scale it, or adjust its focus until the glitch effect looks